Hey friends, closing day is just around the corner. Are you ready to officially become a homeowner? In today's video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about closing day, from what to bring, what to expect during the final walkthrough, and what happens at the closing table. Now, closing is the final step in your home buying journey, and we want to make sure that you are fully prepared. I'm Sonali Hutson. I'm a licensed realtor in Virginia and North Carolina, and today we're going to dig deep into the exciting process of closing on your new home. Closing day is a big day, and it's the culmination of all of your hard work throughout the cycle of your home buying process. So let's make sure that you're ready to cross that finish line smoothly and with ease. Now, before you head to the closing table, you're going to have the opportunity to do a final walkthrough of the property. This is your chance to ensure that the home is in the condition that you expect and that any agreed upon repairs have been completed. Now, here's what you should focus on during the final walkthrough. Number one, you want to verify repairs. If your contract includes any contingencies for repairs, make sure that they've been completed to your satisfaction. Bring a copy of your inspection report and the list of agreed upon repairs to make sure that you double check everything. Number two, you want to check for damage. Look for any new damage that may have occurred since you last saw the property. Pay special attention to the walls, the floors, the appliances, and make sure everything is in good working order. Number three, you want to confirm the inclusions. Make sure that any items that were supposed to be included in the sale, such as appliances, fixtures, or window treatments, are still inside the home. If something is missing, now is the time to address it. Number four, you want to test the systems. Turn on the lights, the faucets, the appliances, and test the HVAC system to ensure everything is functioning properly. You want to be confident that all systems are in working order before you close. Now, it's very important that you understand your closing disclosure before closing day. The closing disclosure details all the costs associated with your home purchase, including your loan terms, your monthly payments, and how much money you need to bring to closing. So when you're looking at your closing disclosure, pay attention to the loan terms. Confirm that the loan amount, the interest rate, and the loan terms are correct and match what you agreed upon with your lender. Number two is your projected payments. Review your estimated monthly payments, including your principal, your interest, your taxes, and insurance. Make sure these figures align with what you expected. Number three, closing costs. Double check the closing costs, including lender fees, title fees, and prepaid items like homeowners insurance and property taxes. Make sure there are no unexpected charges. Finally, cash to close. Verify the amount of money you need to bring to the closing table. This should match the certified funds you've prepared. Let me share a quick story about a client who nearly missed a critical detail on their closing disclosure. They noticed an unexpected fee just a day before closing, but we were able to resolve it before signing the documents. Now, of course, this saved them from a potentially costly mistake. The lesson here is to always review your documents carefully and don't hesitate to ask questions if something doesn't seem right. It's your right to get your questions answered. Now, what to bring to the closing table? On closing day, you're going to need to bring a few important items with you to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Here's a checklist of what you're going to need to bring. Number one, you're going to need to bring a valid government-issued identification. Bring a government-issued photo ID such as a driver's license or passport. This is required to verify your identity before you sign the closing documents. Number two, the closing disclosure. Review your closing disclosure carefully before closing day. This document outlines the final terms of your loan, including the loan amount, interest rate, and closing costs. Number three, proof of homeowner's insurance. You'll need to provide proof of homeowner's insurance showing that the policy is active and that the property is insured. This is typically required by your lender. Number four, you want to bring certified funds. If you need to bring any money to the closing table, such as your down payment or your closing costs, make sure you bring those certified funds. This could be a cashier's check or a wire transfer receipt, depending on what your title company or your attorney prefers. Number five, bring a checkbook. While most payments are made with certified funds, it's a good idea to bring your checkbook in case of any last-minute adjustments or fees that need to be covered. Now, let's talk about what to expect at the closing table. Closing day is when all of the legal paperwork is signed and ownership of the property is officially transferred to you. Here's what you can expect during the closing process. First of all, you're going to sign documents. You're going to sign several important documents, including the deed, the mortgage note, and closing disclosures. Your closing agent or attorney is going to explain each document, but do not hesitate to ask questions if anything is unclear. The next thing that you're going to do is review the documents. The closing agent or attorney will review the documents to ensure that everything is in order. This includes verifying the correct spelling of your names, ensuring the loan amount and the interest rate match what you agreed to, and checking that all required signatures are in the right place. Finally, disbursements of funds. The closing agent will handle the disbursement of funds, including paying off the seller's mortgage, distributing the down payment, and covering any closing costs, normally within 24 to 48 hours. Once all funds are distributed, the deed is going to be recorded with the county, making you the official owner of the property. Now, once in Virginia, once all of the paperwork is signed, we usually give you the keys to your new home. This is the moment that you've been waiting for, friends. Congratulations, you are officially a homeowner. Now, once you've closed on your new home, there's a few things that I want you to take care of to ensure that you have a smooth transition from one property to the next. First of all, change your locks. I always tell my clients, it's a good idea to change the locks on your new home as soon as possible. You never know how many copies of the keys might be hanging around in the atmosphere, so this is an important security measure. Of course, update your address. Make sure to update your address with the post office, your bank, your credit cards, and any other important accounts. Don't forget to update your driver's license and voter registration as well. You also want to set up your utilities. Contact the local utility company to set up your water, your electric, your gas, your internet, your home security, and it's best that you do this before you move in to ensure that everything is up and running when you arrive. The bottom line is this, friends. Closing day is the final step in your home buying journey, and being prepared can make the process smooth and stress-free. By knowing what to expect, what to bring, and how to navigate the closing table, you'll be ready to receive the keys to your new home with confidence. And remember, we're here to guide you every single step of the way. Hutson Realty Group is there for you. Hopefully this video helps you feel more confident about preparing for closing day. If you're ready to start your home buying journey, just connect with us. We're here to guide you. By the way, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone you know who's looking to buy a home, and subscribe to Hutson Realty Group for more valuable insights and tips on the home buying process. Hit that bell icon so that you can stay updated on our latest videos, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.